Yeah, 30th of September. I got my Mataora, as you can see. And then 4 days later, not forgot it was there, but almost forgot what it was like not having one. Turumakina, he sent a message saying, hey, I'm going to be in Pōneke in Wellington. And so I was like, oh man, that's a bit of a drive. Maybe we'll have to wait till next year. You know what? Engari, nah. I don't think there's been much of a change, except maybe a responsibility now. More of an accountability to know that mo te pai, mo te kino raine, e mātakitaki ana te tangata i au. Me te tauira pia o taku mau i tēnei Mataora, taku whakatinana pia i ngā tikanga me ngā kawa o aku tūpuna, me o rātou wawata. The whole thing is just a learning process. But I feel like it's complementing at least our journey in the wene and our whare waka, learning about what the rest of our lives might be and how our mokopuna will become tūpuna. Pera tonu ki te ako i te reo Māori, me te haringa o te ako, he haringa mutu ngā kore.